How to fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes error in Windows. Here are some possible tips you may try. 1. Run Windows Updates Troubleshooter. 2. Repair corrupted system files. Run SFC and DISM tool as admin. 3. Remove then reinstall. The most recent Windows security updates. 4. Google how to reset. Windows Update Services, fast. 5. Enable the telemetry. Settings. To do so, locate then enable allow telemetry in PDI.MSC. Computer configuration administrative templates Windows components data collection and preview builds. Change the telemetry level as security.